Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechPress. Today let's get started with Canva. So this is now your new website that can be helping you to generate tons and truly tons of designs directly here into Canva. You have now a free trial of 30 days if you want to try it out with Canva Pro, so you can have a lot of premium photos, a lot of elements, a lot of artificial intelligence designs, brand designs, and link out to 10 ad accounts for real-time creative insights in the Canva Pro. That is totally optional. We want to focus for the free version of the Canva so you can see what exactly it does. So this is the new navigation bar nowadays. The new home base is the Magic Studio tab. This is where the all AI tools live. From the Magic Expand, the Magic Morph, absolutely everything is directly inside here. Even the video clip generation, but this is only exclusively for Canva Pro users. Now, you don't just scroll through templates. You can just type now a specific prompt, like Instagram ad for a vegan bakery with a minimalistic aesthetic. Let's see how it actually works. If I focus, instead of going for the actual element that says templates, which it was really important and really popular nowadays to work on Canva, now the Canva AI has something really new. So here, for example, let's say they wanted to generate exactly the same prompt that I just told you, which is an Instagram ad for, and you can type your product, a vegan bakery with, and you can enter a description, which is, for example, a minimalistic aesthetic. There we go. And you can hear for the option that says design, build a custom start for elements. So basically what I do is to hit for submit, and the Canva AI will be trying to understand what I'm actually trying to aim for. If you are a business owner, you can set up your brand hub first, which is let's say putting together the outer styles and the AI generator so they always match your brand colors into the fonts. We will be checking that later, but it usually appears directly into the section that says brand, and here you can check out the elements of all your fonts, all your colors, all your images by default, and you're actually good to go. Check out how it actually looks, my actual design generated with artificial intelligence. Of course, the images can be edited as well. In my case, I won't do it at the moment. For example, let's say that I want to be using this kind of product. So since this is an actual element that was created by Canva, this is not the actual image. It's an actual design that you can edit. So if you like one of those, into the upper right corner you can go for the option that says use Canva editor. So here it will be sending you directly into the editor of Canva, where you can check out how we can actually get started with the actual editor of Canva. Now, the editor of Canva appears if you clicked anywhere directly into one element. Into the upper side, you can see that we can change the fonts, the size. You can go for text colors, uppercase, alignments, transparency of the element, adding effects to the element, animate the element, or changing the actual position, which is moving it to the front or moving it to the back. Into the left section, we have templates that can help you to add more ideas, already been pre-designed. Then we have here elements where you can add shapes, graphics, 3D elements, animations, photos, and so much more. We can add different kind of text or even font combinations. We can add elements about your brand ribbon getting started. We can check out all the uploaded elements that you have uploaded so far. The tools, Pro Tools, which is adding more text, sticky notes, lines, shapes, draw, select elements, and tables. The projects that you have done already been by default, and the applications. So the applications such as, for example, adding Google Maps to your design, adding GIFs, let's say, for example, making anime art to your images, and so much more. So for example, let's say that I have an actual image where I wanted to generate a new image. So in this case, let's say, for example, they're going to focus for Magic Media, and into Magic Media, let's say I wanted to generate a pinky let's go cupcake with a, or let's say in a jello dish looked from the up view. And if I hit for style, I can go for filmic, minimalistic, and actual photo. And in this case, I'm going to go for square size. Let's go for generate. The free version has limited elements, but in this case I'm going to focus only for the free versions. Once you generate your element, for example, let's say that this is the element that I wanted to be focusing on. So I select it. So here, what I'm going to be doing here is to put the product, let's say like this. And then I wanted to click into my background. And I'm going to go for detach the image from the background. And now the product that I have added, I'm going to put this into the upper side. Delete the previous image. And here into the background, I'm going to change the color for, let's say I select to pick a color. And I select this one. Just like that, it will be added automatically. So what I can do now is to add, for example, a new element. Now let's add something really simple. For example, just a basic shape. So this shape will be this length, like this. I'm gonna go for color, no color, and here into stroked weight, I'm gonna make this just like this. And this stroked color should be exactly the same color as my text elements. And lastly, what I just need to do is to just change the elements. Let's say, for example, it says discover hour. Let's go for Tech Express. So there we go. Once you're finished with this design, you can go for show, go for download. You can change the actual size and hit for the option that says download, and your product is now ready to appear, in this case, for your socials. So this is a really easy tutorial how you can actually get started with Canva. There are magic layers, there's the image to 3D motion, there's AI connectors, and there's so much more. So if you wanted to see more about sheets, about how to use magic designs, you can let us know in the comments below. This is how we can actually get started with Canva. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you next time.